right now I have no makeup on, but I'm not doing my everyday makeup. Instead, I'm going to do a challenge where I try to copy Jeanne Damas makeup. She's been my icon for a while and I just love her style. I love her brand. I don't know, I just love everything about her. So if you follow her as well, you probably know that she has a makeup tutorial thing on Vogue channel, which she did like a year ago. Since I got this lip palette that she uses in her video, I thought it would be interesting to recreate her look. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm very excited, so let's see what happens. Okay, you gotta put your hair up first, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair up. Do I even look alright? Okay, so now she's putting on her SPF, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm using this Skin Aqua thing. I have no idea, my mom got it for me, so I don't really have a specific thing that I use or anything. I can't even see if I'm putting it right or not. Okay, so I'm done. And then she's putting on the concealer. Since I don't really use concealer, I'm just gonna use my normal base makeup, which is this, oh my god, it's so disgusting. This RMK makeup base and my foundation. Just around my nose and my mouth though. I think she got like such a bad backlash after she posted this video, because she just kept saying that how she's doing like a typical French girl makeup look, and you know, just stereotyping Parisian girls. And all the comments were like, I'm Parisian and I don't do my makeup like this, like don't you know, stereotype. I'll just enjoy as another piece of makeup tutorial. And I just put some leftovers around my eye area. I can't even see if I'm putting it right. Yeah, that should be okay. Okay, then she's putting lip balm. She's using the glossier one, but I'm using the NYX one that I always use. Okay, the battery is about to run out, so I'm gonna change it. Okay, next, eyebrows. She's only using her brow gel to do her eyebrows, but since I don't have a brow gel, I'm just gonna do my usual routine, which is using brow pencil to just fill in the sparse area, which is like this front bit. It's done. She's saying she likes to only use her eyelash curler, which I don't really feel comfortable with. I feel like I need a little bit of oomph other than just, you know, curling my lashes. So I'm going to curl my lash and then put a bit of mascara on. The trick she's using is like curling your lash in 2 steps. You should curl roots and like the halfway point of your lash, so that it kind of makes a real curl, if that makes sense. I'm currently using the Motte mascara. I normally use the Hero mascara, which is my favorite one, but I wanted to kind of change up a bit, so my friend recommended me this one. I like it, it's okay. Like, it doesn't hold curl as much as the Hero one, but it still does the job. How do I look? Yeah, I do look okay. Okay, she's put on a highlighter. Okay, she's using a cream highlighter, but I don't have a cream highlighter. But I do have a powder highlighter, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna put the highlighter on top of my cheekbone. I'm using the insta palette that my friend gave it to me actually. Okay, she's putting on some on her eyes, so that's what I'm gonna do too. It's really hard after I put my mascara on to put eye makeup. And then she's putting on some on her nose. Okay, she's having a coffee, so that's what I'm gonna do too. And she's having a croissant, which I also have with me right now. I got this just for this video. I never eat croissant, but yeah.
Non, hyper important, café avant rouge à lèvres.
I think she's using this color, so that's what I'm gonna do too. She's testing on that. Apparently she's putting some bit here. I don't know why she's doing it, but since I'm recreating her look, I'm gonna do it as well. Okay, I just applied my lipstick on, a bit like overlined, but natural kind of thing, because I'm not using like the bullet, just like dabbing it on my lips with my fingers. So yeah, looks good. Next, I think she's doing her cheeks. So okay, so she's mixing these two, the bottom two, to do her cheeks. So I'm just applying it on like the highest point of my cheek. And she's putting a bit on her nose too. Can you guys even see because of the lights? Probably not, right? So I'm done with my lips and my cheeks. And then what is she doing? Okay, she's putting the lightest color, which is this one, the one on the right corner. She's putting this on her eyes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm done with it. Can you see? I have a bit of red.
Voilà, donc ça c'est plutôt un truc de...
Okay, this is the day look apparently. I feel like I like to wear more eye makeup. I usually do a bit of eyeliner and a bit of like glitters on my face. But what do you guys think? Do I look okay? Let me put my earrings on. Okay, now she's doing her fringe. I feel like my fringe is too long as well, so I'm gonna cut mine like hers. I only have this huge scissors that I got for thrift flipping, so I have to use this, but it does the job, so it's fine. Okay. So she's just like naturally doing her hair like that. She's just grabbing the middle.
Voilà, un petit peu plus court. Donc voilà pour
Okay. Like this much? Is that too much? She's kind of like accumulating everything in the middle, I feel like. Yeah, this looks okay. So this is the outcome of my makeup. So that was interesting. I use this palette every day anyway, so probably it's not much different from how I wear my makeup every day. It's just the eye makeup that's different, I feel like. If you guys want to see more of a makeup videos from me, then please give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys like it. Yeah, I actually do like this makeup. There was not many things that I had to use so it was really easy to do. If you have this quad especially, it's very easy to use because I use this literally for like my eyes, cheeks and lips, so it's very versatile. I really love this palette. I really love this palette. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this week's video. So I see you guys next week. Bye.